Hey guys, it's Mr.
Midget.
and yeah, today I've got a new video for you, how to make a paper plane. This one's different. This is a double plane if you read, the title. So this is what it looks like. That. Yep, it looks like that. Use scrap paper. So you do that, you fold the wings. Just fold the wings like this. Push it, and then you have another plane. One plane, two planes. So, like that. One plane, you have two planes. So they kind of fly, not really. Only this side flies. But you can just do that, and then that. Looks cool, right? So that's like a jet thing, and one there. So let's get on how to make it. So, first step, you get a piece of paper, you scrap again, spill some ink on it. So this is the paper, place it down on the ground, use my camera, done. So it's like that. If you can't see it, whatever. Fold it in half like a normal paper plane, like this. This is bad because I'm not doing it on the ground. So fold it in half like a normal paper. If you know how to make a paper plane, that's how you make a start. Fold it in half as neat as you can. I'm gonna do it so it looks like that. In normal planes, you do this. Open it up. But in this one, you don't. You do that. And fold it. So like that. Fold it in half. This way. Again. So it looks a bit like this. So you had that. Now you fold it like that. Open it up again. So that. So this way, facing down on the ground. Then fold it one side like this. Wait. Just do it and then I'll show you. Okay. So like this. And do the same on the other side. So it should look a bit like this. So if you didn't get that right, do that. Fold on in. So it looks like a weird triangle. Fold it and then fold on in again like this. So like that. And fold this, make sure this side connects to the gap here. And make sure this one, better, is connected to there as well. So it should look like this. And then, so you fold it. Here. What the heck? Oh, that sucks. I did it right. There's nothing wrong. I forgot. You just have to see that. Fold it in again and again. So it looks like that. And then so like that. Fold it in half. Like that. So it looks like that. So if you didn't see that, that thing, that, fold in half. Okay, then the two bits that don't connect, there, open it up, like that, so it looks like this. And this is the plane I did before, so they look kind of similar. So this is the old plane, so fold it, and then you got this. Fold it, got this. One plane, two planes. Sorry about the voice in the background. So this is the second plane. Hold the wings here on top, so you have that, then that. So, yep. Okay, sorry about that. Just had to go do something. So that, teach you how to do it. Get that. Hold the tips of it like that behind, so it looks like that. Hold it here on the wings. Pull it together, and here let go. So you have your plane. Here, do the same. Hold the wings, pull it, let go. And sometimes if you do that, just push it down like that. So yeah, this was Mr. Midget. Have a nice day. Oh yeah, and PS, subscribe and like, and it'll be great to comment down below. Yeah.